Hello students, today I am going to revise the chapter name is compound interest. Okay, chapter name is compound interest for your revision of unit tests as well as coming half yearly. Chapter name is compound interest. I am correcting the question. See, question number 1 I have selected the question. Principal given 10,000, one person deposited 10,000 at the rate of that not given. After 2 years, he got the amount 11,664 in time 2 year. Okay, he deposited rupees 10,000. After 2 years, he got 11,664 at the rate of compound interest. Okay, rate of interest not given. So compounded annually it is given, and you have to find out compound interest. Easily you can find amount minus principal. Compound interest easily you can find, that is amount minus principal, that is so easy. But how to find out rate? See, the formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. The formula is compounded annually. Formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. N means here number of year, and A means that is amount given 11,664, principal given 10,000, and 1 plus R by 100. R not given, rate you have to find out. Time given 2 years. Okay, time given 2 years. Now this one bring this side, 11,664 divided by 10,000 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Now see, this will go by 16. If you divide 16 both sides, if it will divide 16, this will be 729. You have to do up your own calculation. If you divide 10,000 divided by 60, it will come 625. And this is 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Okay. After that 729, which whole square? That is the main thing you have to add it. 729, that is the 27 whole square, and this one is 25 whole square. That is 27 by 25 whole square is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Okay. Now taking square root both sides, what will get here? 27 by 25, and this will be 1 plus R by 100. 1 bring this side, this left 1 by 100 R by 100. Therefore R will be how much? After taking LCM, this will be 2 by 25. 2 by 25 into 100. 25 4 ja, 2 4 ja 8. So what is the rate of interest? The rate of interest is 8% per annum. Finally, you have to write the rate of interest per annum is equal to 8% per annum per year. In the question given, principal given, amount given, time given, and you have to find out rate of interest as well as compound interest. Compound interest formula is what? Compound interest formula is amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. What is the amount? That is 11,664 minus 10,000. If I will subtract, how much I will get? That is rupees 1,664 is the answer. Compound interest I got 1,164, and rate I got 8%. Okay. Let us go next number. Just see. Question number 2. In this question number 2, I have selected the question from other books. Principal given rupee 10,000. Principal given rupee 10,000. Amount given rupees 12,100. Okay, 12,100. Time given 2 years, and you have to find out rate of interest. One person deposited rupee 10,000 in a bank, whatever may be, and amount he got after 2 years, 2 साल बाद उसको मिला है 12,100. उसको जमादार माने how much he deposited, that his money is 10,000. 2 साल बाद उसको कितना मिला है? 12,100। अब तुमको कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का हिसाब से रेट फाइंड करना है। एज फॉर द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट द पर्सन डिपोजिटेड 10,000, he got 12,100 after 2 years compounded annually. What is the rate of interest per annum? That you have to find out. Let us see. Compound annually formula is what? A is equal to, A stands for amount, P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. N means here number of years. Put the value of A is how much? 12,100. 12,100. Principal given 10,000. This is 1 plus R by 100 whole to the time 2 years. Time 2 years. Now this one bring this side, 12,100 divided by 10,000 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Now this 20 will be cancelled. 121 by 100. This is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Okay. This is nothing but 11 by 10 whole square is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Now 11 by 10 will come, and this one will bring this side. 11 by 10 minus 1 is equal to R by 100. After that R will be how much? That means R is equal to, this will be 11 minus 10, that is 1 by 10 into 100. 10 10 is 100, finally you are getting 10%. Okay, 10%. Then what is the rate of interest? Therefore rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum, per year. Okay. In this way I have completed 2 questions. Let us go to next question. Let's see. See the question number 3. This will be the last question for today. You have to revise thoroughly. Next day I will continue the chapter, same chapter, doing more sum. Question number 3. Principal given 50,000, amount given 60,500, rate given 10% per annum, and this also compounded annually. Okay. As for the compound interest, you have to find out the time. In how many years he will get 60,500 at the rate of 10% per annum compounded annually, depositing rupees 50,000. Time not given. Now same formula to apply. As it is given compounded annually, A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. N means a number of years not given here. A is 60,500. Principal given how much? 50,000. And this is 1 plus R by 100 whole to the n. N means number of years not given. Rate given here. You can apply here rate 10. I am writing a 10, not R. R equal to 10 already given, that I put here 10. 1 0 cancel. Now do one thing here. This 50,000 bring this side. 60,500 divided by 50,000. 2 0 will be cancelled. Here 1 0 cancel. 10 plus 1 11 by 10 to the power n. Okay. Now see, this 2 0 cancel. If you divide by 5, this will be how much? This will be 100. If I will divide by 5, 500 is 500, and this will be 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5, 121, 11 by 10 whole to the power n. Now tell me, 121 by 100 means whose whole square? 11 by 10 whole square? Yes or no? That is writing here that this implies 11 by 10 whole square, because 11 whole square is 121 and 10 whole square is 100, and this side is also coming 11 by 10 whole to the power n. Now comparing both sides, what will get? N equal to how much? N is equal to 2. N means what? Number of years. Okay, number of years. In how many years you will get? That means after 2 years. After 2 years he will get 60,500 at the rate of 10% per annum compounded annually if he deposit rupees 50,000. That is principal given, amount given, rate given, time you have to find out using the formula for compound interest compounded annually, that is A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. A means amount, P means 50,000 principal, rate 10% per annum I am putting here, and n, that is number of years not given, you have to find out. Here 1 0 cancel, 1 by 10, 1 plus 1 by 10, this will 11 by 10 whole to the power n. Here 2 0 cancel, and dividing 5, this will be 121 by 100, that is nothing but 11 by 10 whole to the power whole square, 11 by 10 whole square, here 11 by 10 whole to the power n. Comparing both sides, both the base same, you have to equate the power. That means n is equal to 2. N means what number of years, that is 2 years. Okay, thank you for today's class. Next I will do more sums.